This WeatherSmith update is sponsored by our friends at Alliance Maintenance.
Good Thursday night, everybody. Thursday, July 16th, just after 8 o'clock, 8:15. Welcome. It's been a long week. Very long week, or at least feels like it. All right, let's get into this. Let's do the weather. Haven't just said that in a while, right? All right, so let's move over to site scan here. Activities dying down. We still have some isolated showers in some spots. Zooming down, like the Tulsa area, we just got scattered stuff around the radar, but nothing crazy or anything like that. Even going down into southern Oklahoma, we got some stuff along I-40 there, but nothing. I mean, not much for the local area. We got some stuff over by Springfield, so clear night. I'm going to say a clear night. We'll see. We do have some. I'm trying to debate on what I want to go do. Let's do the model. We'll run through the NAM real quick, and then we'll switch over to the forecast. All right, so for the night, these showers are going to die down, no big deal. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're clear, nothing going on. Tomorrow morning, the boundary over by Oklahoma City kicks off a few showers. Osage County between Oklahoma City and Tulsa, nothing big. As we get into the afternoon, we should see some regeneration of storms. This is pushing it from Oklahoma City was today. Now we're pushing it further west over by Lawton and Amarillo. So we'll watch this evolve. 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock starts going down. Just we lose the sun, we lose the heat, so it just falls apart. So again, Tulsa might be the cutoff point for the showers for tomorrow. Saturday, some overnight showers. I don't anticipate that being severe at all. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10, 11, noon, 1. This is the same cell, it's just reorganized. So, and like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we start losing just about everything we've got for storm environment. We just don't have enough elements. As we get into the like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock time frame, we start tapping into the heat of the day, and it continues off, and then it struggles because it gets too close to that high pressure. So yay for that. Going in the further here, Saturday afternoon, maybe some pulse ups, but that's going to be very, very limited. 9 o'clock, 10, 11, midnight, 1 a.m. And I mean, this is way far out for the NAM, so we will see. All right, let's move over to the forecast. Tie the rest of this up for tonight. So currently, 80s across the board. Let's zoom in a little closer here. There we go. Feels like temperatures were still up there. Look at that, 90s and mid 90s. Isn't that nice? Just pleasant. All right, let's move over to the overnight. Temps tonight will drop down in the 70s across the area with scattered showers northeastern Oklahoma, and then everybody else is clear. And we're still at a waxing moon. All right, moving over to tomorrow. High temperatures, low to mid 90s across the area. Heat indexes, holy moly, look at that. 105 Claremore, 103 Grove. You get the idea. Stay inside, stay inside, stay inside. Tomorrow's weather, bright and sunny. Fantastic. Pop chances are almost nil. Winds light, 10 miles per hour. I think tomorrow's winds are going to be out of the north. Just looking at the frontal system, so we'll see. And then tomorrow night we will drop down into the mid 70s. Yeah, you heard that right, mid 70s, which means Friday, high temperatures, mid to upper 90s, and feels like temperatures. That surprises me. I really anticipated a lot of pink on the map. So that means that our humidity is going to be down and things shift wind-wise. Looking at winds, kind of stale, but I think the winds are going to shift that day. Pop chances, very low. All right, let's go over to the graphics, look at those, and then we'll call it an evening. Next 4 days, Northeast Oklahoma. I didn't anticipate to show these, so it has to take a second. Isolated showers tomorrow, 94, 97, 9 and 9 on Monday. It is going to be hot next week, guys. Southwest Missouri. Again, forgot to load these. Much of the same. Shower chances tomorrow, and then 92, 95, 98 on Monday. And that's tip. That's not feels like temperature. Feels like it's probably going to be 100 plus, definitely. And then Southeast Kansas, showers again tomorrow, 91, 95, 97. So we're definitely clearing out, but when we clear out, we get hot. All right, moving over to the 10-day look. Monday, Tuesday looks like the hottest days. And then look at that, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, much cooler across the area. So that tells us we've got a warm front that's pushing through, and then it's going to shift. It looks like Monday night. Well, no, it would be Tuesday. Tuesday night into Wednesday, it would shift, come south, and actually push through, allowing temps to clear out, which is fantastic. We need that. So that explains why we've got yellow Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The frontal system's moving north, and then after Tuesday night, Wednesday and Thursday, it's pushing south. So we've got those two pressure differences. All right, that is all I have. Thanks for watching and putting up with me. If you're new here, do me a favor. If you're on YouTube, subscribe and share. If you're over on, whoa, wrong side. If you're on Facebook, follow the channel, like the channel, share the channel. Help grow my audience. Please, please, please. All right, have a fantastic night. I'll talk to you all tomorrow morning.